guys, it's Morgan Ann and I'm back with another video. This time it's a DIY Fashion Nova Halloween costumes. Today I'm going to be taking pieces from Fashion Nova and creating some really cute Halloween costumes with them. Also, this video was sponsored by Fashion Nova, so thank you Fashion Nova for sending me all this cute stuff so I could create these amazing costumes. And if you haven't seen this face before, what's up, Homeschooler Biscuit? My name's Morgan and you should totally subscribe to be part of this. Bam Bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at I am Simply Morgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening, and let's get started with the video. Yeah. I decided to create two costumes from clothes from Fashion Nova. First costume that I'm doing is a dark angel. That's right. Don't call me Angel. And for the dark angel look, I just got this really cute black dress. It is so cute. It's got a little slit on the side. Yes, I'm living for it. I got it in a size small and I just thought it was like, I wanted to make it sassy. So this is something you can wear out, you know, not feel uncomfortable, and I just thought it was so cute and it shows off the body real nice. The next thing that I got to like complete this angel look are these shoes. These shoes are to die for. Like, these shoes are popping. Look at this shoe. Oh my god, it just gives you, ooh, you know, rich girl sassy slay vibes, and I'm just loving like the fur and the heel. Ooh, see how tall this heel is, and do you see the platform on this baby? Oh my god, this is so cute. It's a size 7.5 and I'm gonna be rocking this with this black dress. And then to go with my dark angel look, I'm basically Ariana Grande in the Don't Call Me Angel music video, to be honest. And then the last thing I got is this angel set. In the dark angel set, they sell a dark and then they sell the white angel set, and I just got the halo. See, it shows you the halo, and then I got the wings. And I just thought that this would be a super cute and super simple outfit that you can create from Fashion Nova just using their basic clothes. And I'm going to try this on for you guys, so let's try it on. Ooh, don't call me Angel. Look at this halo. You see this halo? Remember those ones I built? Yeah, that's right. This slit is definitely high, so I might have to pin it a little bit, but besides that, no, this fits wonderful. It hugs the body. The wings are so cute. They just like fold out and they're really sturdy. And then the halo, oh my god, it's stunning. Love it. But don't call me Angel. I love this outfit. I think this is what I'm gonna be for Halloween. I have a Halloween party to go to, so I think this is one of my Halloween looks. I'm gonna show you the shoes in a different shot, but these shoes, so cute, so comfortable, even though they're like super high, but the platform is just like just nice, just right, just tight. Alright, so the next outfit is a bunny. Yes, that's right, a bunny. Giving you a little, not Playboy, but giving you a little sass, getting you ready for Halloween bunny look. So I got this really cute bodysuit from the lingerie section of Fashion Nova. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love the sparkles. It is so cute. I think there's like a mesh material underneath it, and I think it's like dark enough to where it covers your nipples, because that's also something I'm concerned about. If not, you can wear pasties. If not, you can add fabric. But I think this is so cute and it's just so girly and I just love it. And then I got myself, because I cannot just walk around in a bodysuit, that's just me, but I got myself this cute little black skirt from Fashion Nova, and I just thought this would go great with that bodysuit. I thought it was really cute. I like it. I like that it's got the zipper going in a diagonal, and then they have pockets on the side. Your girl loves pockets. So I thought this would go great with that. And then I have the set. set. I have the bunny accessory set, which comes with a big old tail, some really sassy ears, and gloves to let you know that she's a fancy bunny. Let's try on this costume and see me slay as a bunny. Wow, this is cute too. I love the long gloves. It's giving me, I love the ears. The ears are really cute. The ears are doing it for me. The gloves, the fancy gloves. And then this, first off, this bodysuit is everything, but that's the tail. Giving you a little tail action right there. Bodysuit looks great. It's a little on the see-through side, but that's okay. I just have some tape over it, or just like, I'm gonna go buy myself black pasties, so that's really cute. And then the skirt is really cute. I think this goes great together. This is a really cute Halloween costume. It's sassy, it's sexy, it's a cute Halloween costume. And I'm wearing the same shoes. And I think that actually goes great with this outfit. Or I can wear thigh-high boots with this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you again, Fashion Nova, for sponsoring this video. Also, subscribe if you're not subscribed to join this Fam Bam. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at I am Simply Morgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Skillet. A biscuit.